Online learning is a great fit for Spring Arbor University. One of the benefits in the online learning environment is that you get to build and create community. You actually end up with connections that you may not have had in another environment. And one other thing that happens in an online course is one-on-one feedback. The instructor with the student can actually dialogue. At Spring Arbor, we build online courses with intention. We are intentional about creating these paths for communication and for community and connection. And actually, research shows that when an online student feels connected, they're going to persist, they're going to do well, and they're going to finish. I want to take a minute to describe the process that eLearning goes through to create an online course here at Spring Arbor. First of all, the department that wants the course will suggest a SME, or a subject matter expert. And this is a person who is a faculty or an adjunct faculty who really knows their stuff. And then eLearning has an instructional designer who will be matched with the SME, and they end up having an initial meeting where they discuss the course and what the goals are for the project. In this first meeting, we talk about what kind of content they anticipate for this course, what the learners are like, who's their audience, what is the main thing they want their learners to leave the course knowing or being able to do. And then from there, the SME goes out and creates their curriculum. And the ID waits for that to come, and once it comes, the ID builds a master shell in Blackboard, our learning management system. And the things that the ID thinks about is logical flow, visual interest, these paths for interaction. And once everything is put together, the SME and the ID sit down and review it. And if they feel like everything is just like they intended it to be, they pass it on to the department or the course reviewer to look over the course. Eventually, the course reviewer provides suggestions and approves the course. Then the work is done. The course has been developed, and the next thing that happens is when it's time for that course to run, students are enrolled in a section, the ID goes to the master shell and copies that curriculum into the section, and then spends some time verifying the course, making sure all the links work now, making sure the faculty bio is placed properly, going through and setting up due dates, whatever it takes to get the course completely ready to run. When you teach an online course for Spring Arbor University, you will get a section like this. The curriculum will be there. It's approved. You'll know that it's the way the department intended it to be. And then your job is to facilitate it. You're the one who gets to get the community started and maintain it and give the feedback and interact with your students. I'm really excited that you're going to have this opportunity to teach for Spring Arbor University.